guys, it's Cullen here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we're gonna spend 24 hours in our ball pit.
Okay, so you're gonna spend 24 hours in your ball pit.
Yeah.
So, who is gonna be the last out of here?
I don't know.
You think Ella will win or Cullen will win?
I think I will.
Okay, so what did you bring to play with while you're in there? So you're gonna hide
Can we
squishies.
time out so I can get some stuff?
No, you guys, once you're in, you can't leave. So I hope you guys all went to the bathroom. And I'll bring you. I could bring you drinks.
But what if we need to go?
So how are you guys doing now? So it's been about 4 hours and you're still making it, both of you. So did you guys hear that sound?
Yeah.
What do you think that? I heard it and it sounded like it was coming from the kitchen.
Isn't this a joke?
I don't really know if it was a joke, but
It could be still.
do you think,
It could be mommy. I don't know.
or with the game master?
It could be Addie or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, who knows? Who knows?
So how's it going in there so far? So good.
And today we eat something delicious.
Okay, so now we're gonna do a challenge. So how many squishies do we have total in there? Well, okay.
5 squishies.
So Ella, turn your back to the wall. Ella, don't look at Cullen. He's gonna hide them. Okay, Ella, hide your eyes. Cullen, your turn to hide them. Hide them in the ball pit real quick. And then Ella gets to try to find them.
I don't want
No, in the pit.
I heard someone coming out of the cell. Did you hear that?
I do hear something.
Oh no.
Wait, guys. Listen. Hold on. Everybody be quiet. 1 minute. Listen, listen, listen. I did hear it. I wonder if it's coming from the cellar or the kitchen.
I mean, the cellar's connected to the kitchen.
I definitely heard something. Do you want me to go check it out? You guys don't get out of the ball pit, okay? Are you scared?
What if it, yes, what if it pops out?
No, I won't. I won't.
Did you hear that?
I did hear it. Hold on. Guys. Guys. I got a secret. Guys, here's what we're gonna do.
Did you hear that?
I want you to be
Did
extra.
you hear that?
Okay.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, but don't get out of the ball pit, because then if you get out of the ball pit,
Guys, I think there's someone here.
you will lose.
Oh, I thought someone was opening the curtains. It's just John.
Okay. Be real.
Did you hear that?
Real quiet. Real quiet. Okay. All right, let's go back. Should we go back to the game, the squishies, or what?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go back to
Cullen, you hide the squishies,
that.
and Ella, you're gonna find them. So don't watch him hide them.
They're like extra sticky.
Okay, hurry up and hide them all around. Tell her when she can go.
Just to hide in random places.
Okay, time's up. How many are there?
5.
Go ahead, Ella.
They're all in the spot. 2.
Counter. I gotta count the counter. Count down.
What? I get it for some easy ones.
Good.
5. Last one was a little.
5. Okay, hand them. Okay, you hold them, Ella. Cullen, now you hide your eyes. And Ella, it's your turn to hide them.
want you to just cover your eyes up. And
That's a good hiding spot.
ready.
Ready?
Okay.
All right, see if you can do it as fast as her. She did it in 20
I
seconds.
saw her coming from here.
She did it in 20 seconds.
No, be good.
Can you do it in 20 seconds? 15, 14, 13, 12.
Wait, where do you put
11.
him? You don't know where it is.
9.
Where did you put him? There's somewhere around.
Are they in the pit?
No. They're in here or somewhere, but don't have it on for a second. Hey guys.
Guys, wait. Get down low. Listen, shh, be real quiet. I heard something. I gotta go check it out. Stay right there. It's okay, stay there.
Guys, it's gonna be fun.
Stay there. I'll be right there. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just turn this light out.
Who it is, Kay?
Oh, okay, hold on.
The white dust went on by itself.
Okay, hold on. Okay, what is that orange light right there? What is that? Okay, hold on. I gotta go see what this is. I don't remember that being there. Okay, you guys didn't get out, did you?
No.
Okay, I didn't see anything, but I heard it.
Be quiet.
And you know, we've been getting a visitor at night. See, Johnny's going. Did you hear that jingle? Okay.
Wait, be quiet.
Okay, I need you guys to lay down beside each other. Okay, all right. So guys,
What?
all right, I want you, Ella, to count. I want you to tell me. Cullen, you count backwards from 10 to 0.
Okay.
Go now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, and Ella, you tell me what colors you have there in that ball pit.
We have red, blue,
Show them to me. Hold them up.
blue, red,
Wait. I gotta be ready. I can't see you.
red, blue,
Blue,
purple,
purple, red,
pink,
pink,
green,
green.
yellow, and this colorful ball.
Oh, that's it.
It's soft.
Where's it come from? Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah, it's rainbow.
Yeah. Have you guys ever been to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yes.
All right. I'm scared of Chuck E. Cheese.
Why?
I don't know.
His name is Chucky Cheese. Who's Chucky? Chucky.
Can you guys?
Chucky.
So,
Chucky.
guys, do you guys need a drink?
Yes. No.
You're okay.
I'm gonna get your butt.
You're okay 6 hours in, no drink.
Yeah.
So far, we're going strong. Does Ella have to go to the bathroom?
No.
Okay. So, all right, guys. I'll be right back with a drink. I'll just gonna pause this, guys. Okay, guys, I got your drinks here. Pink for you, Ella, and blue for you, Cullen. It's tea. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Don't drink too much or you'll have to go to the bathroom. And since we're going on our 14th hour, I don't know how much longer you guys are going to be able to stay in this ball pit.
Forever. Probably for the sleep.
You're going to sleep in the ball pit?
We don't know yet.
Okay.
Who knows?
Okay, well, when you're done with your drinks, I'll get them so you don't get out.
Well, I didn't drink all of it. I drank.
That's fine. You probably don't want to drink all of it.
I can't drink.
Because if you drink all of it, then you'll have to get out.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put them over here.
Be quiet.
Do you hear it?
Did you hear a zombie noise?
Yes, I did. Kind of sounded like Minecraft zombie.
No, I see. Minecraft cannot be real, but did you hear that noise? That was just your booty. Did you hear that? I think she roasted the.
Still hanging in there. So, Ella, since you've been in there for that many hours, what most hurts on you? Like, do you got to go to the bathroom?
Nothing.
You're fine.
Uh-huh.
You're just gonna get a pillow and a blanket and sleep in there?
You have to get it.
Well, why? Because if you step out, you
Lose.
No, Cullen, are you doing all right?
I'm feeling fine.
Okay, good. You think, Cullen, so have you guys heard that noise anymore?
Yes. Yes.
Tell me what it sounded like.
It sounds like a snake and a zombie. A zombie. Minecraft going. Like. Wait. Because everyone. Oh.
No, listen. Shh. Listen. Someone's coming down the stairs.
I know.
Guys, I gotta go for a minute. I gotta go check this out. I'll be right back. I'll be right.
Will you tell
Stay
you?
here, guys. I'll be right
Will
back.
you tell you if we see something, right, Cubby? Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'll be right back. I am going to check this out. I'll be right back. Don't get out. Oh! Guys, there's somebody coming out of the basement. Guys, I'm out of here.
There's someone out of the basement. It's this mommy. Wait, Mom, what'd you see?
I don't know. I really am not sure what I seen.
Did you hear that?
I am not sure what I seen.
Someone trying to prank us?
Somebody just came out of the basement and started to walk toward me, but then left and went the other way.
Oh, no.
So, Cullen, go see if you see them.
Okay. No, he didn't get out. No, he didn't.
You just lost.
No.
You lost. Ella won. Ella, you won. Yay. Who won?
Me. Now it's right here.
Hey guys, listen here. Come here real quick.
Cubby I can get it.
Cullen. So, we're going to have to definitely figure out the mystery behind these noises on our next video. So,
What's that?
you said you heard a...
What's that? Look at the window.
What do you see?
I see a dragon.
A dragon?
What is that?
Ain't no dragon.
Look at that. It's a boy.
It's the bird's reflection, I think. Ella, listen. Cullen and Ella, we are going to have to figure out...
On the next video.
We are going to have to figure out in the next video.
Be quiet, everyone.
So, what do you want to tell our viewers to...
Hit that like button, subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up, and turn on the notification. Guys, I think we should.
And do you want them to give their input on what they think they heard?
Yeah, you can comment down below.
I think we should. Guys, I think me and Cubby should get out so we can see what those noises are.
Sounds good.
I'm a zombie!